Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thirsty Thursday, and so you guys know I've been hitting it hard with these tropical drinks lately, just trying to wish winter away because I think they said it's even supposed to get cold and maybe even some snow again this weekend. So I'm just going to pull the blinds shut and sip on my tropical drinks and pretend it's summertime. Anyway, before we get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button because it's all about food and fun here at Sherry the Chef. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss anything new. All right, so we are going to get started on our drink. And the inspiration for this came from, I went to Florida a couple months back. I was down in Melbourne and I went to a place called Squid Lips. And I think it was a Dirty Monkey that I ordered. And they brought it out in this, and I thought, oh my goodness, this whole thing's for me. Well, it didn't last very long, so I opened it up, and then come to find out, it was just this little cup that was in there. So today I can make it as big as I want. All right, so we are going to make one, and you know what? I'm going to do the glass first. I don't really know how they make these fancy, but I do know it had a little bit of chocolate in it. And, well, that's not real pretty looking, is it? I don't know. Maybe once we get the drink in here. This is sugar-free. So I think it might have a different consistency to it. Not only that, we're at the end of the, whatever. I'm going to try to make it look like I've seen. We'll try to make it pretty. I don't know. All right, we got a little chocolate in there. I'm going to pull this back. And I'm using my Pampered Chef high power blender. You can use whatever blender you have at home. I am going to put 6 ounces of pineapple juice in here. So a small can. And I've got probably 2 to 3 cups of ice already in here. So we're making a frozen drink today. All right, a can of that. And I've got, I don't know how many ounces is in this, but it is the small bottle of RumChata. So it's a little bit bigger than like the 2 ounce like airplane shots. I think this might be 3 or 4 ounces. Anyway, just grab yourself the little bottle or the big bottle if you want. Ugh, come on. Oh my goodness, what is the problem here? Oh. A little on my hand, a little on the counter. Anyway, we're going to put the whole bottle of this in. And then we're going to add in an ounce of Malibu rum. Oh my goodness. I got to tell you, I've seen like lots of different versions on this. So if you use Bailey's instead of the RumChata, Kahlua, I usually see it with Kahlua. All right. Boy, I got a mess going already this morning. Just gave it away. I'm drinking in the morning. All right, now we need a little bit of cream. It says Real Gourmet cream of coconut, which I have never used this before. So it's kind of thick though. So I'm going to guess about an ounce. So I'm not going to use my shot glass to measure it out. I'm just going to put it in there. Now we need a half a banana. Okay. This is a small banana. I'm going to put the whole banana in. All right, the banana smells good. You also could definitely put some banana liqueur in here, but I didn't have any. This is kind of my version. All right, so I've got this on. I'm going to go ahead and it's going to get loud in here. Well, maybe not. Got it on custom heat instead of custom blend. There we go. All right, I think our drink is done. Oh, that smells good. I don't know how this is possible, but it smells frozen. I don't know what frozen smells like. I think it just smells like something you should be drinking on the beach for sure. Let's see how this looks with my chocolate. I don't think it looks too bad. I probably should put like a little slice of banana on there. Ooh, you know what else would be really pretty? To melt some chocolate like your almond bark and get your glass cold first. Melt your chocolate and then dip the top of it in there. That would be cool. And then like some yellow sprinkles, yellow straw. Yeah. I guess it's probably about the same amount that was in that coconut thing. All right, let's give it a taste. Since it's morning time, I'm just going to pretend that's a smoothie for breakfast. This is so good. I don't know if it tastes just like the one I had down there, because like I said, I started looking for recipes and there's a million of them out there. And this is definitely one you want to give a try. I think this is good. It's really good. It's creamy. It's tropical. Tastes like you're on vacation. Like I said, I'm gonna pull the blind shut. I might put like a beach screensaver on my Roku, bring in my lawn chair, put on my sunglasses, and drink the rest of this pitcher. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next Thursday with another drink.